How to bypass character AI filter PC. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to bypass character AI filter PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here on the character AI, you can talk to a lot of characters. It can be famous people, game characters, image generating VTubers, game characters, anime, movies, and all the likes. You can also try Elon Musk right here, and all of this that you can see on your screen once you have visited character AI. However, did you know that you can bypass the NSFW filter on character AI just by being vague on your descriptions? So as you can see right here, in order to bypass NSFW filter, you can try to set the mood first with the bot and be less specific with your description. You can put some space before the letters when the word is too NSFW. So if you want to put in a very NSFW word, then you can just try to put in space. Just really make sure that you've fully raised up to the bot to make it into it, then you're good to go. And then as you can see right here, here are some words that you can use in exchange of those NSFW words. So you can try blossom, flower, button, stick, plums, explode, go over the edge, essence, and sap. You can also ask your character that you want to come up with words to describe anatomy that will get around the filter. So they will happily give it to you, and the AI will happily try to bypass itself. So in here you can see that a user successfully did. As you can see, the character AI has replied to them something that is NSFW. So in here also you can see another example that you can see that the AI has been bypassed by itself. As you can see, there is things like that, and just use this kind of advice and also these words in order to bypass the filter. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to bypass character AI filter PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.